If the perimeter of a right triangle is 30, so take a right angle triangle whose perimeter is like 30, like A, B, C. So, and hypotenuse is, which is opposite to 90 degrees, is 13 centimeters. So the other two sides I'll consider as X and Y. So what is the area of the triangle they are asking? So first what you do, perimeter is 30. Perimeter is sum of all the sides. So x plus y plus 13 equals 30. So x plus y is 30 minus 13. So x plus y is 17. Now we need x and y to find the area of a triangle. So I'll apply Pythagoras theorem, like 13 square equals x square plus y square, because in a right angle triangle the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. But from here, what is the value of y? Y is 17 minus x. This I'll substitute here. 13 square is 169 x square, and in place of y I can write 17 minus x whole square. 169 equals x square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 169 equals x square plus 17 square is 289 plus x square minus 34x. Now x square plus x square, 2x square minus 34x plus 289 minus 169 equals 0. So 2x square minus 34x, 289 minus 169 is plus 120 equals 0. Now here 2, if I'll take common, x square minus 17x plus 60 equals 0. Now 60 factors are like 12 into 5, 12, 5, 60, 17. 12 plus 5 will add, will get 17. So x square minus 12x minus 5x plus 60 equals 0. X if I'll take common, x minus 12, minus 5 will take common, x minus 12. So x minus 12 and x minus 5 equals 0. So x minus 12 equals 0, x minus 5 equals 0. So if x equals 12 and here x equals 5, suppose here if x is 12, then y will be 17 minus 12, y will be like 5. If x is 5, then y will be like 17 minus 5, 12. So you can take any values. Now find area. Suppose if you take x, this one. So area is half x into y or y into x, half base into height. So half 12 into 5. 2 times 1, 2 times 6. So 6 times 5 is 30 centimeter square. So the correct option is C. The marks obtained by 5 students are like 21, 27, 19, 26, 32. Later on, 5 grace marks are added to each student. So if you add 5 to each student, the new marks will be 26, 32, here 24, 31, if we do plus 5, 37. So what are the average of the revised marks? Means this new marks 26, 32, 24, 31, 37. So you can calculate like sum of the observations. Average is nothing but mean, sum of the observations by number of observations. So here 26 plus 32 plus 24 plus 31 plus 37. So 6, 8, 12, 20 by number of observations 5. So 150 by 5, that is 5 times 3, 30. So the average marks of the revised marks of the students is nothing but 30. So the correct option is B. So what is the arithmetic mean of first 10 composite numbers? So to find the composite numbers, my advice is like the numbers which are other than prime and except 1, because 1 is neither prime nor composite. So my advice is like just write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So first take out 1, because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Then take out the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Now from here select 10 composite numbers, like 10 composite numbers. First 10 composite numbers like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now calculate mean. Mean is sum of the observations. Just I took randomly till 20, but I got composite numbers, 10 composite numbers till 18 only. So sum of the observations by number of observations. So 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 18. So added all the 10 composite numbers by 10. So if you add all these 10 composite numbers, the result is like 112 by 10. So 112 by 10 is 11.2. So the correct option is D. What is the median of the following data? So 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 6, 8 and 9. So first we need to arrange in ascending order. So first smallest value is minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2, one more 2. Next 3, next 6, 8, 9. So total observations are like 7. 7 observations. 7 is nothing but odd number. So if it is odd number, the median formula is n plus 1 by 2 observation. So here 7 observations plus 1 by 2. So 8 by 2, that is fourth observation is a median. This is actually a formula. So the fourth observation is here 3. So the median is 3. The correct option is B. Or otherwise, when you have odd observation, you can cut like this. The one which is left in the middle is the median. If it is even observations, we'll get 2 observations in the middle. Then that time we need to find the average of those 2 observations. What is 1 plus cot theta? 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. See, this question is taken from CBSE and state syllabus, class 10th trigonometry topic. So in exam like combined defense service examination, elementary mathematics for the year 2021 paper 1. So here see, to find the value, change everything in terms of like sine and cos. So here 1 plus cot theta you can write as cos theta by sine theta, and cosec theta you can write as 1 by sine theta. So here 1 plus tan theta is nothing but sine theta by cos theta, and sec theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. So here LCM in these terms is like sine theta. So sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. Here LCM is cos theta. So cos theta plus sine theta plus 1. So if you'll observe this numerator part, now here see this one, if you'll consider as A, then it will be A minus B into A plus B. So sine theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square by sine theta cos theta. Because I wrote in this form because A minus B, A plus B is A square minus B square. Now if I'll simplify this further, A plus B whole square, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB, 2 sine theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta, its value is like 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. So here 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta cancel. So it is